Trump, 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 Trump. Hahaas Comedy Ringtones presents Trump, 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 Trump.
Hey everybody, it's Joel Haas with Hahaas Comedy Ringtones, text alert tones, alerts, and alarms. This is our Trump podcast. If you can't beat him, you damn well better laugh at him.
Oh, Kelly, baby, why do you lie that way? Fairy tales and lies like that just won't last long, you'll see. Why, Kelly, why? Trump, 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 Trump.
It's another Trump podcast from Hahaas Comedy Ringtones, text alert tones, alerts, and alarms. We hope you enjoy these and you find them funny and amusing. If you'd like to use these on your phone or any of our thousands upon thousands of other original comedy ringtones, just search Hahaas in the iTunes Tone Store or the App Store. We've got apps that allow you to create and make all your own ringtones and get all of our ringtones, and you can get them all installed instantly in the Tone Store. Just search Hahaas. And if you're looking for Trump stuff, search Hahaas Trump.